Good day everyone. Today we're here to share the progress of our project-based learning initiative. The project is titled Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing and is being carried out by our team known as PBL LKS 502. First, let me introduce the team behind this project. At the helm is our project manager, Ms. Nel Mewati, and the client for this initiative is Mr. Areza. The team leader, Gifar, guides us through the process, and the rest of the team includes myself, Faiz, along with Pascal, Rido, Hafiz, Satria, and Alicia. Now, to give you an overview of this project, our primary focus is on enhancing the security of three key web applications used by the Batam government. Our objective is to uncover any security vulnerabilities and deliver concrete recommendations to improve the system's overall security posture. For a deeper dive into the technical aspect, I will now hand over to the presentation to our team leader and other team members.
So, our project focuses on vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, and that is a systematic approach to assessing the security of information systems and applications. This methodology combines identifying potential weaknesses with simulating real-world attacks to uncover exploitable vulnerabilities, ensuring a comprehensive evaluation of the system's defenses. In this project, we are concentrating on several web applications operated by the Batam local government. The first one is Proselling, and that is a platform for enabling companies to report environmental compliance to the Batam Environmental Office, including pollution control, permit adherence, and hazardous waste management. The third one is eMoney, and that is a system designed to monitor and evaluate the performance of various government programs and activities. The last one is called Asset, and that is an application dedicated to managing the Batam government's assets and inventory, ensuring effective public asset management. So the goal of these initiatives is to identify vulnerabilities within these applications and propose actionable solutions to fortify their security against potential threats.
The methodology begins with a planning and preparation, where the scope, objective, and boundaries of a testing are defined through discussion with the client. A non-disclosure agreement or NDA is established to ensure confidentiality, and a black box testing approach is selected to simulate an external attacker perspective. This is followed by information gathering, where tools like Nmap and FFUF are used to collect technical details, such as system architecture, server configuration, and a public endpoints. This insight lay the foundation for subsequent testing phase. In the vulnerability assessment phase, automated scanning with web scanner identifies potential vulnerabilities. Complementing this, manual testing follows, guided by the YOAPS Web Security Testing Guide (WWSTG) to uncover vulnerabilities that automated tools might miss, focusing on critical aspects like authentication, input validation, and API security. During the exploitation phase, identified vulnerabilities are tested to validate their feasibility to proof of concept, or POC. Examples, such as creating specific requests to exploit weak policies. Control exploitation is conducted within predefined agreements to demonstrate the potential impact. Once testing is complete, the reporting phase document findings, categorizing vulnerabilities by severity, providing POC examples, and offering details remediation recommendation. Finally, in the remediation phase, tailored recommendations are provided to address identified vulnerabilities. These include improving security configuration, implementing best practice, and strengthening defense to ensure the application becomes more secure.
The deliverables for this project include a comprehensive penetration testing report, which provides detailed findings on the identified vulnerabilities, their severity levels, and their potential impacts. Additionally, the reports include tailored remediation recommendations, offering actionable steps to mitigate the risks and enhance to the overall security posture of the system. The project has been successfully complete, achieving 100% progress. The final phase involved manual testing and exploitation, conducted using the OWASP WSTG checklist to ensure a thorough validation vulnerabilities. The project culminated with the creation of the final penetration testing, providing both technical insights and customized recommendations to effectively address the identified risks. Here, the screenshot from OWASP WSTG checklist spreadsheet, and here the screenshot from finding data spreadsheet. Lastly, here the screenshot from Pentest final report.
The implementation of this project began with the planning and preparation phase, where the scope and requirement were defined through the client discussion, agreeing on target, the black box testing method, and constraints supported by an NDA to ensure information confidentially. The team utilized the Portswigger platform to refine penetration testing technique. In the information gathering phase, tools like Nmap, Zenmap were used for network scanning and FFUF for directory fusing, identifying endpoint and sensitive files, with finding analysis and documented for further testing. During the vulnerability assessment phase, automated scanning tools such as Bob Scanner identified vulnerabilities like SQL injection and XSS, categorizing them by severity. These findings were reviewed to validate results and guide the subsequent manual testing phase. The project advanced to the manual testing phase, focusing on critical areas such as authentication, input validation, access control, and API interaction, using the OWASP WSTG checklist V1.7.0 with a black box testing approach. Testers identify vulnerabilities missed by automated tools, offering deeper insight into risk. In the exploitation phase, validated vulnerabilities were tested through proof of concept scenarios such as privilege escalation and authentication bypass, while maintaining system integrity. The findings were documented in a comprehensive final report detailing vulnerabilities, severity, and remediation recommendation. Finally, during the remediation phase, the team supported the client in implementation fix that strengthened the system against future threat. Here's the screenshot from our project logbook, and here's another screenshot from the logbook.
The main challenge in the project was the team's limited experience with advanced techniques and real-world scenarios, which affected the ability to identify and exploit complex vulnerabilities. To overcome this, the team leveraged the Portswigger platform for practical exercise and in-depth learning. They also sought insight through discussion with experienced colleagues and used the OWASP WSTG checklist for structure, systematic testing, ensuring coverage of critical areas, and alignment with industry best practice.
We successfully completed all stages of testing using the black box method, including vulnerability assessment and exploitation to identify and evaluate security weakness without access to source code or internal information. This provides a clear initial overview of potential risks. Looking ahead, we will plan to incorporate white box and gray box testing methods to gain deeper insights into system vulnerabilities. This approach will complement the black box results, ensuring a more comprehensive security evaluation while enhancing our expertise and delivering stronger outcomes for the client systems. So that's it for the presentation, and thank you for the attention.